Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change location on OmeTV. Right, so here if I just go and select my country here, so this is really easy to change the location because we have this option to do this. Now I just want to go and talk to them like let's say, let's say Israel, right? So just select this country here and my country has been changed. My location has been completely changed. If you just refresh this page here, you can see you will automatically see this whichever country you have selected. Right now, this is how you can do this. And there's one more thing is that if you just go and click on here, you will get this option location. So make sure you turn this off because if you turn it on, then Home TV will just pick up your exact location and they might remove this option for you. So make sure you turn this off from here, which is by default always off, but make sure you also do this, and then you can just go and select your whichever country you like to. For example, Germany, you can select it here, right? You can also change the gender here, right? For example, I'm a female, I'm just couple, right? I'm with my spouse and everything, right? So here I can just go and select your couple. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.